European citizenship is not merely a regional identity. It represents values such as democracy, human rights, the rule of law, equality, and social solidarity. While these principles are rooted in the European Union's foundations, they carry a universal significance that transcends borders. Humanity has been interpreted in various ways across cultures and belief systems. But at its core, it is about acting justly, respecting others, avoiding harm, and offering help. Documents like the Universal Declaration of Human Rights have helped spread these values across the globe. Within this context, Turkey holds a unique position. Geographically located in both Europe and Asia, and historically shaped by many civilizations, Turkey serves as a bridge between East and West, although the country has experienced ups and downs in areas such as democracy and freedom. A significant portion of society remains connected to these shared ideals, rather than being in conflict with European values. Turkey has the potential to contribute to and enrich them. What matters is ensuring that these common principles are not just part of official rhetoric, but also part of everyday life and social awareness.